if you're experiencing issues with Call of Duty multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates that might be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be preventing you from accessing multiplayer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a PC, use the game launcher like Steam or Battle.net to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available patches or updates and install them, as these often include fixes for multiplayer issues. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router or modem if necessary, and consider using a wired connection for better stability during online play. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Call of Duty multiplayer not working. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.